Hi friends, welcome to my channel. First question is, what is English? English is a language used to communicate with people all over the world. What are vowels? Vowels are letters A, E, I, O, U. They make special sounds in words. What are consonants? All letters except vowels are called consonants. Example B, C, D, F, G. What is a word? A word is a group of letters that has a meaning. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that gives complete meaning. Example I am a student. What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, or thing. Example Ravi, school, table. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is used instead of a noun. Example he, she, it. What is a verb? A verb shows action. Example run, eat, play. What is an adjective? An adjective describes a noun. Example big, small, happy. What is an adverb? An adverb describes a verb. Example quickly, slowly. What is a preposition? A preposition shows a position or place. Example in, on, under. What is a question sentence? A question sentence asks something. Example what is your name? What is punctuation? Punctuation marks helps us understand sentences clearly. Example full stop, comma, question mark. What is a capital letter? A capital letter is used at the beginning of sentence and for names. Why do we learn English? We learn English to communicate, study, and get better opportunities. Thank you.